now I'm gonna show you how to fold the Nuna Mixx Next pushchair. And obviously the huge plus is you can fold it with the seat unit attached, but just for the purpose of showing you the mechanism clearly, I'll take the seat off. So all you do is press up on these two buttons on either side here, right here, and it comes right off, so couldn't be easier. And then for folding the frame, all you do is pull up on these two triggers on either side of the handle, and you push the handle forward, and then it naturally starts to drop down all the way down, and that's it. You have this little latch on the right hand side here, so you can lock it into place. And now just to show you how to release it back up, again, couldn't be easier. All you do is unlock this latch on the right hand side and pull the handle up until it clicks back into place. That's it. Okay, now to show you how to fold it with the seat unit attached. Again, it's a very simple two-step fold. So all you do is push the seat all the way forward using your recline button here. And once the seat is pushed forward, again, you just pull up on these two triggers on either side and drop the handle down, and it drops all the way down. That's it. Again, you have your little latch on the side to block it, and then to set it back up, again, you just unlock the latch on your right hand side and pull up on the handle until the pushchair clicks into place, and that's it. You're done.